Hello there, YouTubers. So it's been a while since I've done a sketchbook tour, and I just finished this sketchbook, so I'm gonna do a tour. Okay, so this sketchbook went from Monday, May 24th to August 21st, 2021. Okay, so here's my cover. Whoops, sorry. I'm using a light and it's probably not in the right spot. Oh, whatever. Okay, so my husband and orangutan when he turned 1. And I'm happy. Okay, so here I was trying to paint from a live, rose in front of me, and that's how it came out. So, I'm always challenging myself. Okay, so here's Thursday, May 27th. And let's see, what was I doing? Listed some paintings on eBay. Ooh, I painted the black background for my taping. Wow, that was only back in May. Okay, start editing and listening to classes on YouTube. Oh, whatever, listening classes. Oh yes, I started listening to my classes on my own. Pay hip so you can buy classes without being a Skillshare member. Okay. Okay, Sunday. Yeah, pretty. I did a video. And then this was Monday, and we had gone on a hike and with the grandkids, and I shot some photos of some poppies, and that's what I painted on that day. And always, always working on my faces. So those are cute. Okay, Dr. P.H. Martin's, those are bright. Wednesday, getting ready to go to Florida, and this is all done with P.H. Martin's. And then I went right into gouache, and this is Mijello Mission Gold. And it was new, so I, hadn't used it very often. I just got frustrated and blah, blah, blah. So here's this next. This is some Dr. P.H. Martin's. You can see how bright that is, right? And then I did a review video of M. Graham, finally. That's what I did on that day. Let's see. Flying. This is somewhere, drawing this somewhere towards Chicago on the plane. We get these little dolls at the farmer's market in Moscow, Idaho, and I love them. I've been buying from this little girl for a couple of years, and I have quite the collection. So that's what inspired those. Let's see, you got Friday. I'm in Sarasota, Florida with my daughter, practicing my alphabet. Still in Sarasota. Ooh, what I found so amazing about Florida was the variety of botanicals. Like, the variety of palms was amazing. And the fact that you could get monstera plants, like giant ones, for like $13 because they grow everywhere wild. They're an outdoor plant in Florida. Cool, right? Let's see, this is a painting of a doll that I had collected, and this is just a list of all the things I love. Bleeding hearts, grandkids, the beach, summer, my art, my husband, my family, boating, camping, hiking, being out in nature. Yes, I love to be outside. With my daughter at the beach, and my granddaughters in Florida. We were in Sarasota, Florida. And that's what I painted. I painted 2 birds. The other one was a gift. This is on the airplane on the way home. I got through a 5-hour flight from Florida to San Francisco by binge watching Sweet Tooth. And so that inspired that picture, and I painted this in the San Francisco airport, which I'd never been in before, but they all look the same. Okay, Sunday. Is this the 4th of July? Yes, it is. 4th of July. That's my outfit. And then Tuesday, we're in Door Shack, and we're all swimming and camping, and it's smoky, and out on the water was Sophia, Alicia, Brad, me, Julia, Summer, Afton. Who is that? Bree and Derek. That was fun. Oh, and then I've got the Colors of the World, Crayola Colors of the World. These are the crayons. And then I did the markers. which I didn't really care for, but probably because I'm not that familiar with markers and don't really know how to use them. And then I got the Mijello white class, and so there were some pigments that I didn't own, so I picked that up for pretty cheap on eBay. And then just doing some color swatching. Really wanting to explore this color scheme with the lime green and the bright orange. And that's what's going on there, though I sort of copied somebody's painting here. Let's see, I got a new little Holbein palette, which I'll show you on my palette tour. And I did this Monstera with a new palette. And then Good Vibes Only. My daughter liked this, so I ended up doing a large one for her with the painting, and then it was all framed. Then Smogus, which is about dragons. So I painted a dragon that day. Then, let's see, Working from Life, a real orange and onion. You know, you always have to challenge yourself, right? There's a tree. A burrito style cat. That's Sunny, and here's Sunny in burrito style as well. And you know, I like it, so I like his style, so I copied it a lot. Let's see. Yeah, just some days, nothing special I can't think of there. Yeah, working on some artwork, and I did this twice because I realized that me being neat is much better. So this is me just doing my usual fly by my seat, and this is me being neat, and you can see that the neater version is much more attractive. So just goes to show you, you could slow down a little bit. And so then here is another day, and working on, oh, I went down a rabbit hole, but anyways, just going from some photos that I saved and wanted to paint, and started to paint there. That's a peach scene. Then my B for me. Oh, just working on some stuff. And then the last page. So hey, thanks for watching my sketchbook tour, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.